Hello everyone, welcome with Monisha Nair. Today we are making orange marmalade. Just pure goodness of orange. Let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken a big vessel. To this I am adding regular water, half teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'll lightly mix this and we are going to wash the oranges. So here I have taken 8 Malta oranges. These are best for making marmalades. So one by one you need to wash these oranges nicely because we are going to use the skin of the orange for our marmalade. So you need to wash this nicely. Once these oranges are nicely washed, I am going to wipe these orange with clean cloth. So this will remove any dirt present in the orange skin. So once we have cleaned our oranges, now we'll cut these oranges. So you need to cut these orange as shown here. So making marmalade is very easy. Just you need to take the proper measuring as given. You need to take that and the timing. That's it, and you will get the best homemade marmalade. And you can enjoy this with some toasted bread for your breakfast, and it's very delicious. Now here I have taken a manual juicer. So you can take manual or electric juicer. Now we'll remove juice of these oranges. So once we have removed the juice of these oranges, I am going to strain the juice. So we don't need any pulp of the orange, only the juice. Because if you will add pulp while making marmalade, your marmalade will turn out very sour. So do not add pulp, just the juice. So once we have removed all the juice, we'll strain it using a sieve. So that there are no traces of pulp left. That's why you need to strain this orange juice. Now similarly all our juice has been strained. Now we'll transfer this into a cooking pan. So out of these oranges I got 1 3/4 cup of orange juice. I am going to add it to this pan. Now once we have added the juice, now we'll keep this aside and we'll go back to our orange skin. So you need to take 3 orange skin and you need to clean the orange skin as shown here. So we are going to use only 3 orange skin, that is 6 pieces of orange skin. Not more than that. The rest you can discard or you can use it for making some delicious orange candies. So it depends upon you. So only use 3 orange skin as shown here. So what I am doing is I am just scraping off the white part from the orange skin. So it will remove all the bitterness from the orange skin. And now we'll discard this. And now all our 6 pieces, that is 3 orange peels, are ready. Now we'll cut these into thin strips. So this we are going to add in our marmalade. So you need to cut like this as shown here. See how simple this recipe is. Just take the given measurements and given ingredients and just keep a proper cooking time. Like just on a proper time you need to remove this mixture and you will get the best marmalade, and you can have this with your breakfast or any time of the day, and it is very delicious. And we are not going to add any colors, nothing, just pure goodness of orange. Now similarly I have sliced all the peels like this. Once we have made the thin strips, Now we are back to our pot. To this I am adding 1 3/4 cup of water, that is 380 ml. So I am using the same measuring cup for everything. And to this I am adding the sliced orange peels. Once I have added the orange peels, to this we will add juice of 1 1/2 lemon. So half I am going to keep it aside, only 1 1/2 lemon we need juice. So using a squeezer I am squeezing this juice and adding it to this pot. Now once we have added the lemon juice, now we'll immediately keep this on stove top, and now we are going to cook this, and we are going to bring this mixture to a boil on medium flame. As soon as it starts to boil, as you can see here, I am going to cover this and we are going to cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. This process will help the orange slices to become soft. Now to this I am adding 1 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, that is 376 grams. Now I am going to mix this well and we are going to cook this on medium flame. So we are going to cook this until this reach into a soft stage. Till then we are going to cook this. So meanwhile this mixture is cooking, on side we will sterilize our glass container in which we want to store the orange marmalade. For that, here in a vessel I have made some hot water. I am going to place this small container for our orange marmalade. I have placed it in this hot water. And we are going to leave this glass jar in hot water just for few seconds. So after few seconds, I'll remove this glass jar out and we'll clean this nicely with a clean dry cloth. Now our glass jar is nicely cleaned and it is ready to be filled with marmalade. So this process is very important when you want to store jam, anything. So you need to follow this process because it helps to keep and to preserve the marmalade or jam well. So you need to follow this process. So I wiped the container and the lid. Now we'll keep this aside and we'll go back to our marmalade mixture. Now this is a very important part. You need to be very careful anytime your marmalade can get ready. So you need to keep on mixing and check. So here I am adding little bit, few drops on a steel plate. And I am going to place this plate in freezer for 10 seconds. Till then you need to keep on stirring this. After 10 seconds, you can see that the liquid is not coming down. It is where it was and it should be soft in texture. See, when I am touching, it is soft and little gelish kind of texture. So this is what we want. You should not overcook this mixture. If you overcook this, it will turn into an orange candy. So be very careful. Now immediately I am switching off the flame and our orange marmalade is ready. So now immediately fast I am going to mix this and immediately I am going to transfer this into a sterilized glass container. So never overcook the mixture. If you overcook, then it will turn into a candy. So do not overcook. Now I am going to pour this into this glass container carefully. And once the mixture is poured, do not close the lid immediately. Wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour only close the lid, because if you close the lid immediately, it will keep on cooking inside and it will turn hard. So do not close the lid immediately. And a super delicious orange marmalade is ready. See the texture, how beautiful it's looking. And we have not added a drop of color, nothing, just pure goodness of orange. Now I am going to enjoy this with a slice of toasted bread. What are you waiting for? Oranges are in season. Buy oranges and make this delicious homemade orange marmalade. And please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you like this video, please share this video with all your friends and family. Thank you for watching.